I would like to welcome you to this wonderful course, which will make you a web developer from scratch. This course has three major sections. First section will get you up and running with HTML and CSS. Then, in the second section, we will dive into Bootstrap, which will enable you to develop production-ready professional web pages that are beautiful, feature-rich, and fully responsive. They will work perfectly for both web and mobile devices. We will not stop there. We will also dive into jQuery, and you will be surprised how cool and easy jQuery is. Even if you know absolutely nothing about JavaScript, you will learn about using cool animations, learn how to select the HTML elements using jQuery, and add awesome features to them. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's great, but wait, there is more. There are some great topics covered as well. One of them is adding email feature to your contact forms. Yes, it's impossible to use email feature on static sites that are built only with HTML and CSS without any server-side technology such as PHP. But we will tackle that problem too, nice and easy. And it will go live as well. Yes, I will show you how to push your local project to the live server and reach out to the whole world. This one course will change everything. You know, web development is vast and complex, but mainly it's because of the confusion and not being able to decide where to begin and what to learn, because there is so much to learn. This course will solve that problem. Enroll in this course and change your life. Okay, so here we have a beautiful carousel image slider that we will be building in this course in the Bootstrap section, and further on you will learn more about animation and adding a lot of features with jQuery, and you can implement that feature, those techniques in this page as well. And our page begins with the title and bit of a description. We have beautiful jumbotron applied. We have beautiful responsive image. As you can see, let me show you. Yeah, it is fully responsive. We have the hamburger menu in the mobile sites for the small screens. As you can see, it works beautifully. We have the navigation, which will automatically highlight the section that we are on. Okay, so we have the icons and bit of a like an icon box. We will learn how to use icons. We'll learn how to use Google Fonts as well. We will also learn how to use full width fixed background images for beautiful effects. As you can see here, image stays and then the content moves. Pretty cool. We will also be building contact forms, tables, and so on. And this is not just a contact form. And this contact form actually works. You can send, people can contact you, people can type their name, email, message, and they can send, and you will get the actual email. And that's something exciting because you can't really easily implement this feature in just HTML and CSS static sites, but we will tackle that problem as well. And as you can see, when you browsing through the pages, depends on which section you are. If you are in about page, you will see this section gets highlighted, and once you move to this services, you can see this page highlights, and once you go to the contact, it gets highlighted. So we will add all this functionality as well. And here we have a table with gradient background applied to it, so which is another cool feature. You can play around with this and create beautiful gradient background. I'll show you how to write proper SEO contents as well, so we will keep that in mind as well. We will try to build a proper HTML semantic pages that will work beautifully for search engines as well. So as you can see, there are quite a lot of things covered. Here we have panels with header, body section, and the call to action buttons and so on. And there's one more cool thing about model here. You can customize it the way you like, and you'll learn quite a lot about adding interactivity and animations using jQuery in the third section of this course. And all those things that you learn in the jQuery section, you can apply to this project as well. So this is the second project. We will have our first project built with only HTML and CSS, and then we will build another small project with jQuery as well. So you can combine all those things that you learn and create something beautiful. Maybe create your own portfolio and get ready to dive into the world of web development. So it is exciting. I'm sure you feel it. And without further ado, let's get started. Thank you.